check out this really cool magnetized pack of cord organizers that I was given so I could give you guys a review. Working from home, being able to have my cords organized just helps me feel so much better, and I absolutely love it for my peace of mind, my organization, my productivity increases, and I just like that clean look. So this is going to be so great. Let's try it out. I decided to set up my home office so that I could try this out. I love that it comes with spare adhesive, so you can even move this around if you needed. Speaking of moving around, it is so cool that these are actually adjustable. You can move these back and forth, so you can give different cords that might be a little bit fatter or have a wider head just a little bit more space. It's literally stick, peel, go. You are done. And they are so fun actually to open and close. They have that magnetic closure. They can be done with just one single finger. So it's really simple to be able to insert each of the cords. But what I absolutely love is the strength of it, is that it's not going anywhere when you tug on it. They are very secure. So you can organize and set it up based off of exactly what you are needing. It really did help organize my at-home situation and was so easy to be able to just plug in my laptop and my pods, and I was good to go, and everything felt neat and organized. It was really great to be able to have. This would be perfect for someone that has a messy desk or works from home. This is a fantastic organizer. I would definitely recommend checking it out.